Welcome, and here is a question. Let's consider this question. Now, this question is a trigonometry question, and they said if tan theta is equal to 5 over 12 and 0 is less than theta and theta is less than 90 degree, that means it's not up to 90 degree, but it can be 80 something, but it's not up to that 90 degree. Or if you see the put this one is less than or equals to 90 degree, that means it can be 90 degree, but this one is just put less than. That means it will not be that exact 90 degree. So, well, that's not what we want to find. We want to find, we say we to find sine square theta, cos theta minus sin theta, cosec theta. So now, um, they say we should find sine square theta, cos theta minus sin theta, then cosec theta. So now for us to find this question, we need to draw the triangle first. So now let's draw the triangle. Let me see. Let me draw it for this side, the triangle. This is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. So now let me just label it. Let me just see the here is A. Let me see here is B and here is C. I just label it. It's not that's not what they say, but I want to label it so that I can solve it well. So now let's say in tan mean what? They say 5 over 12. That means what? Tan is what? It is opposite, which is, and here is the opposite, which will be 5, and then the adjacent, which will be 12. So now this is the place that we will find. For us to find this place, we need to use Pythagoras theorem. For us to find this place, we need to use what? Pythagoras theorem. Now, Pythagoras theorem say what? This side is equals to these two sides. The square of this side is equals to the square of these two sides. That means what? We have a square will be equals to b square plus c square. That's what it means. So now for us to find this one, we'll now say okay, a square is equals to the b. Where is b? B is 5. 5 square plus 12. Here is 12 square. So we now have a square is equals to 5 times 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. 5 raised to the power of 12 is 144. So a square is equals to 169. A is equals to root 169, which is what? 13. So A is 13. So now we have find the value of what? Of A. Now is to find all these 1, 2, 3. So now let's find it. Okay, let me use this side. Okay, let me use first start from here. The Roman figure 1, this is we should find sine square theta. Sine square theta is equals to, so say sine mean what? The opposite all over the hypotenuse. So we'll have what? We have 5 all over 13 all in bracket. Because of this square, we'll bracket it. So we'll now have what? This square will be equals to 25 all over 169. Because this square will square all the numbers in the bracket. So 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. 5 raised to the power of 13 is 169. So that is the answer for this one. So let's go for the Roman figure 2. What did it say? Roman figure 2 say what? Cos theta minus sin theta. So now the cos theta mean what? Cos theta mean the cos theta mean what? This one adjacent all over the hypotenuse. So now let's say cos theta mean is what? Say cos theta minus sine theta. So we'll now have what? Adjacent, which is 12 all over what? 11 I put in 13 minus. So this one, which will be what? 5 all over 13. So now let's find the LCM, and since it's the same, so let's pick one. 13 all over 13 divided by 13, it is 13. 13 times 12 is still the 12. Then minus 13 divided by 13 is still 13. 13 times 5 is 5. So we'll now have what? We'll now have 7 all over 13, because 12 minus 5 is 7. That is the answer. So now, let's go to the last question, which is cosec theta. Cosec theta mean, remember if you got 3, we have cosec theta. So now it means what? It means sine inverse, inverse of sine, which is equals to 1 over 5 over 13. I hope you are seeing. So now we will now set 1 over 1 times divided by 5 over 13. This one I did not do anything to it, because 1 divided by 1 is still 1, so I just leave it that way. So that will be equals to 1 over 1 times, so this one will go up, this one will come down. We'll now have 13 all over 5. So will now be equals to 13 all over 5. That is the answer. So bye bye.